Welcome, in front of me I have Vivo V20 SE, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works when you apply on your display tempered glass. So as you can see, in my case I have tempered glass on the display, and let's see how the sensor performs. So let's make a few tries. We can check sensitivity of that sensor with our screen protector. As you can see, it works really good. It recognizes my fingerprint every time. So yeah, as you can see, even when you put tempered glass on your display in the smartphone, everything will be fine. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.